How to jump to the beginning or end of line in Vim plus OS X. In Terminal I can do this by pressing Shift plus Home and Shift plus End, but it doesn't seem to work in Vim. Home and End key scroll terminal window only. I would like to jump in edit mode.
This answer assumes you are using Vim in a terminal window. The default bindings for home and end are a bit different from what a program would expect based on the usual term setting, i.e. in Sturm variant. If you want to stick with the default bindings, and having to use the shifted variants in terminal, you might try putting something like this in your .vimmerk. Otherwise, you might try adjusting the codes that terminal sends when you use home and end, unshifted even, if you like. A search would probably turn up some places that describe how to do it. Here is one. The basic idea is that you want to have terminal send escape 1 instead of escape H for home and escape 4 instead of escape F for end, or shift home/shift end if you want to keep home/end for accessing scroll back. I would describe the process in more detail, but I only have 10.4, and I know terminal was changed a lot in 10.5 and later.
With a term and Vim you can use Fn plus right and left arrows in insert mode to jump to begin or end of line. With terminal.app you use shift plus arrows.
Use 0 and $ to move to beginning and end of line. Refer this site, this URL. As an addition to Chris' answer, you may also achieve word navigation with Option plus arrow keys just by adding those 4 lines. Notice the O is lowercase, so that it won't exit insert mode for the operation. You can also change the uppercase O in the original answer for the same effect.
I fjol vann to subtolkade han till hans framsida substreaming.